Pete here with 315 South 6th Street. The property's for sale. It's a fixer-upper for $70,000 or best offer or highest offer. 610-209-9219. 610-209-9219. Right on South 6th Street in Reading. Okay.
That's the entrance?
So yeah, this is the inside tour of 315 South 9th. There's no power and everything. So, of course, this is the living room. You know, if I was going to do some remodeling, I would take out this wall. It would open up this whole area. The ceiling height here is probably 11 feet. It's much bigger than 8. So 10 or 11 feet, I would say. This place has been vacant for a little while, by the way. So we got your bathroom here. All this needs to be remodeled. There's a roof leak. I'm pretty sure it's around the chimney, but it's tough to tell. The seller is selling this as is. Then you got your kitchen here. Yeah. Yeah. So you can see this. I'm going to try to get just a view of the backyard. You can see this window's cracked, but here's the backyard. Could use some cleaning up.
Right, so there is walls. The floors needs to be changed also, right?
You know, it's not that bad if you're looking at it. I mean, if they're cleaned up, they might be usable. But kitchen might be usable too. They remodeled it not too long ago. The seller basically said that all these units that they had were nice, and you know, over time they just got bad tenants, and then they had nobody in for a while, and you know how that happens. Things just start piling up as far as condition, and that's where they are right now. Just like, okay, let's just sell it and not deal with anything. But so you can see here.
That's another bedroom.
Yeah, this is one of the bedrooms. Give you a better view of the back here. So I believe it has a garage. From looking back there, then you got the second bathroom.
All right, that's upstairs. Okay.
Yep. So and you can see the leak. When I go upstairs, you'll see why I'm mentioning. I'm pretty sure it's the chimney. But, you know, I'm not going to put a guarantee, or the owner put a guarantee, actually. So it could be multiple issues.
So there is a leak in the bathroom, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure. It's upstairs. So maybe, you know, I would count the whole roof to be replaced, because here's the third bedroom. You can see a leak. That's the front. This is the front of the house, you know. So I would just count the whole roof needs to be done, and all the drywall. Not really sure what's going on here, unless it was a neighbor. The owner said he didn't know. But here you can see the chimney, and you know, this might be where the chimney is. Do you see that?
Yes.
So.
How many rooms are there?
Technically this is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath. Even though it's been posted for less, but 5 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's a pretty big place.
All right.
This is the water heater. There's no guarantee of condition. It is also a gas heater. Everything was functional before. This is being sold as is. There's a walkout, of course. So tenants basically haven't been here in over a year, from my understanding. Looks like a 200 amp electric panel right there. Oh, Pete Gustis here at 610-209-9219. Give me a call, check it out. This could be a great investment. After repair value for 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, I would say, you know, 130 to 180. So it's a great deal. Check it out. 610-209-9219.